Hey guys, this is how to fix Subway app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions. And for Apple users, I will show a step-by-step guide on the left side. Now, first solution, just simply go to the Google Play Store and tap on search at the bottom and go for the top and search for the application, guys. And now, after that, just simply tap on the app. And when there is an update, instead of open, you should be able to see your update and make sure you are running the latest version. And just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update as well. Now, for the second solution, just simply go to the settings into your device. And after that, just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And now just simply try to find the application over here, which is Subway. And after that, just simply tap on it. And now guys, just simply go for the storage and go for the clear cache at the bottom. And if you still have issues, just simply go back over here and just simply tap on clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to fix it. Now guys, for the third solution, just simply hold the application and tap on uninstall. And after that, just simply tap on OK. And from there, just simply go to the Google Play Store and reinstall it back again. And from there, you should be able to reset the application. There you go. If you still have issues with the app, just simply comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out. See ya.